Hello everyone, and in this video I show you how to deposit a check on Lloyds Bank. But first please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me out. So without further ado, let's dive in. So first of all, access the app and navigate to more in your account. Choose the option to deposit a check. Input the check amount and, if desired, include a reference for your own reminder regarding the source or purpose of the funds. Opt for front of check and, if prompted, grant access to your camera. Position the check on a flat surface with a dark background. Maintain the camera level and directly above the check. When a green border outlines the check, hold steady for a moment. The app will proceed to scan the check. Choose back of check and repeat the process even if the reverse is blank. Review the details, then proceed to confirm the deposit. Retain possession of the check until the funds are available. Subsequently, you can safely dispose of it. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.